Hello everyone, welcome to another session of FICO software. Today we will design quarter wave monopole antenna for 2.4 GHz frequency having circular ground plane. We will add calculations of antenna in CAD FICO itself. So let us start by adding the variables. Click on this plus and then add variables. So let's add first variable as operating frequency, which is 2.4 GHz. And then say add. In my previous video, I had explained everything in detail. If you have not seen that video, then watch that video and then continue with this video. You will find link of previous video in description below. You can see from top right corner, design of monopole antenna having length is equal to lambda by 4 and having circular ground plane of radius lambda. So now let us calculate lambda. Lambda is equal to speed of light upon frequency. So let's add next variable as lambda. And in expression you can write C by F. Speed of light is already defined as C0. So I'll be using that C0 divided by frequency F. You can evaluate to see the value of the lambda, which is equal to 0.1249 meters, and say add. Next we will add minimum frequency. So F minimum as 2 GHz and say add. Next I will add maximum frequency F max as 3 GHz and say add. Next I will add wire radius of monopole as 1.5 mm. So wire radius is WR and value of that is 1.5 E minus 3. And say create. So now we will design monopole antenna. For that, go in construct and then select line. Monopole antenna will start from origin, that is 0 0 0, and end in plus Z direction. The length of the antenna is lambda by 4. So U will be 0, V will be 0, and N will be lambda by 4. I have calculated lambda previously. Label I will add it as monopole antenna. And say create. Next I will add ground plane. For that, select ellipse from here. The center of the ground plane will be at the center of the monopole antenna, so I won't be changing the center points. In radius I will add lambda. In U and V direction also. Label will be ground plane. And say create. Next I will add port for monopole antenna. So click on monopole antenna. Come here and click on wire 5. Create port and then select wire port. I want the port at the start of the wire and say create. Next I will add voltage source for this port. So right click on port 1 and add voltage source. Then say create. Next let us union the ground plane and monopole antenna, because both the elements should work as one antenna and not as two different parts. To make union, select monopole antenna and press Ctrl on your keyboard and select ground plane. Now release the control and right click, go in apply and say union. You can see here. Next I will request far field for the antenna. So go in request, then far field and create 3D pattern. Then say create. Next I will add frequency. So go in source load and select frequency. I will add the range of the frequency. So I will select linearly spaced discrete points. My start frequency will be F minimum, which is 2 GHz. My end frequency will be F maximum, which is 3 GHz, and number of frequencies will be 100, and say OK. Next I will mesh. So go in mesh and then create mesh. Wire segment radius will be WR divided by 12. Then say mesh. Next save the geometry. Now let us run this. So go in solve run and select PicoSolver. This will take some time to simulate. Simulation is complete. So now let's observe the output. So let's open Pico, post Pico. So now let's observe the return loss graph. So go in Cartesian and then select source data and then voltage source 1. Now let's view the return loss in dB. So click on dB and let's click on cursor to view the exact value at the 2.3 GHz. You can see it is operating good at 2.3 GHz. Return loss value is minus 14.2 dB. So now let's view the 3D radiation pattern. So go in 3D geometry and click on far field, then far field 1. As it was operating good at 2.3 GHz, I am changing the frequency to 2.3 GHz. Here you can see maximum gain is in plus Z direction. Now let us see 2D radiation pattern. So go in polar graph and then far field 1. To see the pattern at other side, just click on theta wrap. Select the frequency as 2.3 GHz. Click on cursor. Let's check the gain. It comes up to be 2 dB. Thank you everyone. If you have any questions or suggestions, then let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will come to know when I upload the next video. Thank you.